For this second video, turn on the wipers on your right hand side. They both work. Alright, turn them off. Turn on the headlights, just regular, like this. So the headlights work. Both headlights work. So daytime. Are they on? Yeah, don't leave them like that. Yeah, there's one light bulb. There's another one right there. And can you put the high beams on? Just push it back. No. Put them on, and then push. Yeah, there you go. That's the high beams right there. Turning them off completely. There you go. And turn the signals on. Walk to back of your cart. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. There you go. Step on the brake. Let go. Let go of the brakes. Did you let go of the brakes? There you go. They both work. Now turn on your right signal. Your right signal. There you go. Left signal.